In the remote New Mexico town of Taos, a mysterious sound has been heard for decades. Some describe it as a low rumbling, others as a persistent hum. This phenomenon has puzzled scientists and locals alike. First reported in the early 1990s, the Taos hum is not heard by everyone. It has been described as a continuous drone or buzz, often likened to the sound of a distant diesel engine. Those who hear the hum report varying effects, from mild annoyance to severe distress. Scientists have attempted to pinpoint its source, but the mystery remains unsolved. Theories range from industrial pollution to military experiments. Some suggest it could be infrasound, too low for most people to hear, yet perceptible to some sensitive individuals. Despite extensive investigations, no definitive source has been identified. The hum continues to perplex researchers, raising questions about human perception and the unseen forces around us. Some believe the hum is a natural phenomenon, possibly related to geological activity or atmospheric conditions unique to the area. Others speculate about extraterrestrial origins. While scientific explanations abound, the subjective nature of the hum means it remains a topic of debate. Its existence highlights the complexity of human sensory experiences. This documentary explores the history and theories surrounding the Taos hum, delving into the experiences of those who hear it and the efforts to uncover its source. Through interviews with experts and first-hand accounts, we aim to shed light on this enigmatic phenomenon, revealing the ongoing quest to understand the unexplained hum. First reported in the 1990s, the Taos hum has puzzled residents and scientists alike. Its low-frequency sound is heard by only a small percentage of the population, often described as a distant diesel engine. Theories range from industrial sources like power lines to geological phenomena. Auditory. Some suggest it could be a form of infrasound, which humans can perceive subconsciously, but not consciously. One hypothesis involves the Earth's magnetic fields interacting with the ionosphere, generating low-frequency sounds that travel vast distances without significant loss of energy. In 1993, a team of researchers conducted an extensive study, funded by the US government, interviewing hundreds of people in Taos who claimed to hear the hum. Despite their efforts, the study failed to identify a definitive source for the hum, leaving many questions unanswered and the mystery alive. Psychologists suggest that the phenomenon could be psychogenic, meaning it arises from psychological factors rather than physical ones, similar to mass hysteria. Others propose that it might be related to tinnitus, a condition causing ringing in the ears, suggesting that the hum could be a collective auditory hallucination. Some researchers have pointed to military experiments involving infrasound weapons, hypothesizing that the hum could be a residual effect of such tests. Despite numerous investigations, no consensus exists on the true nature of the Taos hum, making it one of the most intriguing unsolved mysteries of modern times. The hum has affected the daily lives of some residents, causing sleep disturbances, and even leading to relocation to avoid its constant presence. Local folklore adds another layer to the mystery, with tales of ancient spiritual forces creating the hum as a reminder of forgotten traditions. Despite the lack of a clear explanation, the phenomenon continues to draw attention from curious visitors and researchers hoping to unravel its secrets. Modern technology, including advanced acoustic sensors and data analysis tools, offers new avenues for investigation into the elusive nature of the hum. Experts continue to explore various hypotheses, from natural environmental causes to man-made influences, aiming to finally solve this enigmatic auditory puzzle. While the exact cause remains unknown, the Taos hum continues to intrigue both locals and outsiders, serving as a testament to the enduring mysteries of our world. Its persistence challenges our understanding of sound perception and raises questions about the boundaries between the physical world and the human mind. The hum's elusive nature makes it a subject of fascination for those interested in unexplained phenomena and the mysteries hidden within our environment. Despite extensive studies, the hum remains a challenge for science, prompting ongoing research and speculation from a variety of disciplines. The mystery of the Taos Hum highlights the complexity of our world and the importance of continued exploration and inquiry into the unknown. As we delve deeper into the phenomenon, each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the true nature of the hum and its impact on those who experience it. The search for answers continues, driven by the curiosity and determination of researchers and the unique experiences of those who hear the hum. With every passing year, the mystery of the Taos Hum draws more interest, inspiring new theories and investigations into the heart of this auditory enigma. Though the hum remains unsolved, its legacy continues to inspire scientific exploration and the pursuit of knowledge in the face of the unknown. The story of the Taos Hum serves as a reminder of the mysteries that surround us and the ongoing quest to uncover the truths hidden within our world. In some cases, the hum has been linked to industrial machinery, such as refrigeration units, which produce low-frequency sounds. However, many residents report hearing the hum even in remote areas far from any potential sources. Research suggests that some individuals may be more sensitive to low-frequency sounds due to factors like age, gender, and pre-existing health conditions. This could explain why the hum affects certain people more than others. The Taos Hum has also sparked interest among scientists studying infrasound, which can travel long distances without losing intensity. Some researchers hypothesize that natural phenomena might create the elusive hum. Despite extensive studies, no definitive source of the Taos Hum has been identified. The mystery persists, capturing the imagination of those fascinated by unexplained phenomena and the unknown aspects of our environment. The Taos Hum remains an enigma, defying scientific explanation for decades. It continues to affect residents' lives, sparking curiosity and debate. Its origins remain unknown, but its impact is undeniable. Many theories exist, from geological activity to industrial sources. However, none have provided conclusive evidence. The mystery persists, captivating those who experience it and those who study it. While the hum affects some profoundly, others remain unaffected. This disparity adds another layer to the puzzle. Researchers continue their search for answers, driven by the intrigue. For those living with the Taos Hum, life goes on with constant awareness of this mysterious sound. The hum becomes part of the environment, a unique feature of their daily existence. The Taos Hum is a reminder of how much we still don't understand about our world. It challenges us to question, explore, and seek answers. This mystery calls us to look beyond the obvious. If you've experienced unusual sounds in your area, consider documenting them. Share your experiences with researchers. Your observations could contribute valuable insights to understanding phenomena like the Taos Hum. Scientists rely on detailed reports from witnesses. Your account can help pinpoint patterns or triggers. Every piece of data brings us closer to unraveling the mystery of the Taos Hum. We invite you to join the conversation about unexplained phenomena. Share your thoughts and experiences with us. Together, we can deepen our understanding of this and other mysteries that surround us. Stay curious and keep exploring. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Whether it's the Taos Hum or something else, there's always more to discover. Keep asking questions. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the mystery of the Taos Hum. We hope this exploration has sparked your interest in the unknown. Remember, every mystery begins with a question. As we continue to investigate and learn, keep sharing your stories and insights. Together, we can unravel more of the world's mysteries. Until next time, stay curious and keep listening.